In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money from bank account directly to your Bybit account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Bybit on your device and sign into your Bybit account. Now go ahead and head over to the assets section of Bybit. And here, go ahead and click on the deposit button to be able to deposit money from your bank to Bybit. And here, go ahead and click on the Bybit EUR and you'll get redirected into this section where you can select the currency of the money that you want to deposit to your Bybit account. So just go ahead and select the money currency that you want to deposit. And in here, you'll need to enter the amount that you want to deposit. Once you proceed, you'll get redirected here where you'll need to click on bank card, since what you want to do is to deposit money from your bank to Bybit. So go ahead and click on bank card, and in here you'll need to enter your email, first name, last name, card number, expiration date, CVV or CVC, and hit on the continue button to continue depositing money from your bank account into your Bybit account. And that's how you can simply deposit money from bank account directly to Bybit account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.